Apartheid really began in 1948, but separating black Africans from the white minority had long been a policy aim. Laws made white people officially superior, and the large black majority faced discrimination in every aspect of their lives. Living, doing business or owning land in white areas was banned. There were separate public facilities, transport and schools. Interracial marriage was banned. Many had no right to citizenship and were regarded as aliens in major cities. Instead, they were made citizens of Bantustans, homelands scattered throughout South Africa.
By the end of 2005, according to UN AIDS, an estimated 65 million people worldwide had been infected by the HIV virus, and some 25 million had died from AIDS. In Africa, 25 million people are HIV positive. In sub-Saharan Africa, life expectancy has dropped from the mid-60s to the mid-40s. In some of the worst affected countries, Zimbabwe, Lesotho, Botswana, and Swaziland.
Days, more than 6 million displaced, more than 800,000 killed. This was the Rwanda genocide. April 1994, a plane carrying the Rwandan president and his Burundian counterpart is shot down. Both are killed. Ethnic tensions are quickly ignited. The Tutsi population is targeted along with moderate Hutus. Hundreds of thousands die. Millions are displaced. The international community is criticized for its response. As the killings spread, the bulk of an already small UN force is withdrawn from Rwanda. By July, the Tutsi-led RPF takes control of the country, and Hutu militias flee to the DRC.